Creating realistic environment in Blender can take hours, but what if you can do it in minutes? This is a high quality plants, a complete library designed to bring your scene in life instantly. It's available on Gumroad. It comes with 400 plants, and it will be in 50% discount for the 50 persons that use the code. The code will be in the description. Also, you will get 12 high quality plants for free if you want to try it, the quality of our plants. As you can see, they are with Blender Asset Browser integration, drag and drop, instantly high quality with 5 maps. Also, the winter and the autumn is coming soon. Here's a library. Also, the last update was in December 2025. Also, the add-on works really good with Geo-Scatter. If you want to try out, it's amazing. But it works good even with the Blender. Geometry nodes for scattering the grass. As you can see, viewport and render value is pretty easy. If you want to copy my setup, here it is. Also, here are the finished renders. Also, this scene is available in Gumroad if you want to try out. It's pretty easy. If you want an indoor plant, you just go closer when you want to position it, drag and drop. Available is pretty good. If you want some flowers, take bit times till it's loaded because we are working in the viewport render, but the scene is light. Also some amazing trees, some tropical, some bushes. So guys, try it out. It's really great add-on, and it will improve your exterior visualizations, and the scene will look realistic, not wasting time. Also, the price is very good for 50% discount for first 55 people that use the code. Thank you very much.